This could end very bad. What's up, guys? Out with the red Kraton this time. So I haven't seen this one in a while. I've been waiting on a motor for it. My Hobby Star 4092 long can motor. It's the 1730 kV is lost in the mail still. So I ordered this Rocket 4585. So I'm gonna try it out with a 22 pinion. So M2C chassis, voltage rear, GPM front. A hex 6 with the cut down heatsink, and then yeah, I mean, this thing's been rock solid. Backflip tires on it, and I love this combination. So let's give it a run. That was a nice nose landing, but corrected it. Too much gas. Hug the tree. Yeah, we are full blown in there. Look at that. This could end very bad. Probably will. All right, let's take a light. I like it. Oh man. Oh, this is a sick jump. I foresee a lot of big broken parts soon. Right near that rock. Battery came loose. Yep. Connector came loose. Oops. Oh, entire battery tray broke free. Well, shit. I don't really have a field fix for that. Well, I guess we're ending today early. The battery tray kind of tried to leave stage right. So, well, I goofed up today with the Kraton. So, whoops.